the next thing that I want to talk about is open source software that is available. So that is useful, quite often. Now that is available at a place called GitHub. Okay, so I will again share my thing. So I will share again. It's called GitHub, and that place also you can register yourself, and you can. This is the place that you will find that all the software that is available under this one. It's quite a rich area. To type Moodle, you can get the Moodle here. Can you see my web page, GitHub here? And the first software that I have is Moodle. I type for Moodle. So if you go to Moodle, it gives all the source code, and you can download it. And if you're capable of running Moodle, even to your PCs, you can install this software, Moodle. Okay, so it's these are some of the things that I would encourage you to develop some skills, because today a graduate need to have something like called IT polarization. In other words, you are now expected to have a better IT skills than using Word, Excel. Okay, so you need to have an idea about, okay, what is this software, what is open source software, what is available, can I install it? If you can do that, sometimes there will be some advantages in this case. So even university, we download it from here and install it. It's free, right? But if you look at the value of Moodle, it's quite a lot. Equivalent of Moodle called Blackboard, we have to pay millions of rupees if you want to use Blackboard. But thanks to Moodle, we are doing online education and content management, and it's basically free. So I think it has to go hand in hand. We need proprietary software like MS Word, Excel, but on the other hand, we need open source software as well. And as well as we need to use open source software as well. Now, suppose that you are doing a project on supply chain. So you can see whether there is any supply chain, various types of software that is available. Okay, or logistic. Okay. Sorry, I think I'm still in the Moodle search. It's narrowing down the search. I had to go to the root. Okay, so it's a matter of finding a logistic backend, logistic warehouse, logistic workflow, logistic is there, logistic managed systems, various types of systems are coming up. So people are developing various types of software like that, and as well as you maybe would like to contribute, you might want to use some of this software. Particularly if you're doing a project and if you want to find out some things, even simulation, various types of software, even statistical analysis. SSP is the one that is leading, but there are alternative open source software that is available, which can be used by many people much more effective. So this also an e-resource that is very valuable, and it's available, etc. There's a thing called Orange HRM. This is one of the world leading HRM system. It's actually that company in Sri Lanka in Burleskomer. So it's a Canadian owned company. but it's an open source system that is available. Their business model is the basic facilities of HRM is given by the community release, which is you can download. But this company is doing a lot of customization to big clients. So they use Orange HRM, but use this facilities. So these are some of the software that is available in various forms that can be utilized. So even warehouse management, various things like that. You can find software today at GitHub, which is available, etc. So you can, use some of these things, which are some are good as well, very good. Some are not so good. Some are new, but it can be used.